Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sean Digital. If today is the first time coming across my channel, thank you so much and I really appreciate your time. And if you're part of the family, thank you so very much. I really love you guys. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make money on this website by selling YouTube subscribers and watch time for people. And also you can go further by selling selling Instagram followership and all for people. So I want to show you the best website to use right now. All right, so we have many of these websites online, especially this particular one I'm using. They have many fake others, so I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box of this video to get the actual website to sign up. To sign up on this account is free. So once you sign up on your account on this website, all you just need to do is to come down here. You're going to see something like this. Come around here, you're going to see this which is category. Click on this button right here. Once you click on it, you're going to look for YouTube. Go scroll down and click YouTube. So let's say you want to do YouTube subscriber. Your person requested for YouTube subscriber, so what you need to do, just click on YouTube subscriber here, click on it, and once you click on YouTube subscriber, click on the service right here. So click on the service. When you click on the service, so you're going to see many services here. We have they have YouTube subscriber 1000. This is 1000 subscriber, and you're going to spend 5,444 naira. So if you want to do it for people, you can charge them like, okay, it's going to cost them 10,000 or 15,000, and whereas you're going to do it for 5,477 naira here. And further go down, you're going to see another one, YouTube subscriber max. YouTube subscribers, this one will cost you 9,000 per 1,000 subscribers, and they have another one, YouTube subscriber. This one is going to cost you 9,927 naira per 1,000 subscriber. This one is another one. This is another one, and this is another one which is going to cost you. This one is YouTube subscriber. It's going to cost you 14,265 naira. So you can just decide on which one you are going to go with. Okay, this one is 32,000 naira. All right, for 1,000 subscriber. This one is Asia, 5,000. This one is US subscribers. It's going to go for 28,000 per 1,000 subscribers. So just go on and on. So just click. Let's say we want to go with the first one. We click on it, then come to the service. Click on the service, and we're going to see the price. All right, so right here you can see the description on what you need to do and how it's going to work for you. So start time instantly, speed 150 to 500 days. All right, then the guarantee is non-drop. All right, refill 30 days if the drop. All right, so that's what you need to do. Then you're going to come here and put your channel link right here. Once you put your channel link, your quantity, how many are you looking for, 1,000 subscribers, and it's going to give you how much you're going to be spending, which is 5,477 naira 85 kobo. All right, that's what you need to spend on this one. So let's say, okay, you run the subscriber, then you want to do watch time. So all you just need to do is click on the category again, go to YouTube watch time. Here you can see watch time right here. So click on watch time and click on it. Then with this watch time, click on service. They only have one service here, so it's going to cost you just, let's say you want to do, you put your channel link here. Once you put your channel, mind you, it's going to be your channel link you're going to put right here. All right, your channel link. So let's see if it's only channel link required. All right, you see that, and then you're going to put 4,000 watch hour here. 4,000 is what you're looking for. Then you're going to see the amount you're going to be spending. You're going to be spending 72,185 naira 88 kobo. That's what you're going to be needing. So but you can be doing it per 1,000. You can just do 1,000. So it's 1,000 be around 18,046 naira. Okay, so when you know all of these things, so how do you fund this account to get started? So come right here and click on this button, 3-line button right here. So once you click on the 3-line button, all you just need to do is also click on this place that say fund, add fund. So click on add fund here. Once you click on add funds, then you are going to put the amount you're going to add to the account. All right, so click on add funds. That's what I'm going to do right now. So right here, you're going to put the amount you want to fund with. So let's say I want to do of 10,000. Let's say we want to do 20,000 for instance. I'm going to put 20,000 there. I'm going to click on pay. So once I click on pay, then the next thing I want to do, I want to allow the website to come up. So once it comes up, we continue. Guys, if you're yet to subscribe on this channel, if you have gotten any value at all, please kindly subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to give this video a like for encouraging, so that encourages us to do more videos. Thank you so much. All right, so you can see this. All you need to do is to click on this button right here, click on pay. All right, so I'm going to click on it, then I'm going to allow it to also come up. All right, so you're going to have something like this, and you can decide, I'm going to use my card, I'm going to use USSD, I'm going to use bank, I'm going to use bank transfer. So click on bank transfer, and you're going to see the account number from Filter Wave. Copy the account details and send the money into the account. So this is the amount you're spending, and so this is the account number. So copy this account number. This is the name on the account number, the wallet. So copy the account number. All right, once you copy the account number, send your money, send this amount to it, or depending on how much you're spending, send the money. And once you click on send, after which you're done with your sending, then this site will approve it. Then you come here, scroll down and click on I have made this bank transfer. All right, this plot, click on it, I have made this bank transfer. Once you click on I have made this bank transfer, they are gonna say okay, payment made. So they need to confirm the payment. So once they confirm the payment, you have your money in the account here. So once you have the money in the account here, then you're good to go and start to do the job. All right, guys, this will be the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you're yet to subscribe, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and also give this a like. I would really appreciate your like. Thank you so much. Bye for now.